Hello, Internet! Happy December! I don't know about you, but I've been watching a lot of baking shows. And from the comfort of my couch, I feel like I could be the best cook ever. So today, I'm putting it to the test, and I'm gonna make penguin cake pops with my dad.
Welcome to my channel!
No, it's my channel. If you haven't noticed, we're wearing these amazing matching dog sweaters. We're gonna take them off so we don't get any cake on them. So the people on the baking shows always just seem to know how to make the things. So I didn't look up a specific recipe for cake pops. I just know that you take cake, you add in frosting, and you make it into balls. So we'll just do that first. Let's add some frosting, and then we have to mash this up with our hands.
I've never done this before though.
How moldable does it feel?
It's much better actually now.
Now that we have this lovely mixture, we're going to make some balls out of it.
I like it. Oh, look at that!
That's a pretty good one.
Yeah, absolutely. What do you mean? I mean, look at the workmanship. Oh my god! I mean, these are all coarse. This is smooth.
Yeah, I think we added too much frosting.
No, I don't think so. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay, why did you need
Look at that.
so big though?
Wait. Put pressure on and go round and round and round. Wow, this is art.
It's not a sphere though. Okay, we have our balls. I think we got the ratio of cake to frosting wrong because they're a little more crumbly than I thought they would be. But we have 3 small balls and 3 larger balls for our penguins that we are going to make. So I did have to actually look up a recipe for fondant because I don't know how to make fondant. But apparently if I put 2 cups of this, 2 cups of this, and a tablespoon of water, we're gonna make fondant. Dad, do you know what fondant is?
You know, actually I don't.
You know how, I don't know, how some cakes look really nice?
Uh-huh.
They look nice because of the fondant.
What?
You know how like cakes, they like look so smooth on the around?
Yeah.
It's because of fondant.
Because of fondant?
Yeah. Does that look like a tablespoon of water to you?
Yeah. Of course.
Okay, we have to put these in the microwave for a minute. Here's the before. It's like oddly reminiscent of when I microwaved a marshmallow piece. It's such a stir it with a rubber spatula. Do you want to stir?
Oh, I love to.
Okay. It's a little lumpy there.
Are you challenging me?
We have non-lumpy marshmallows now. I have to add in 2 cups of sugar.
Wow, they're looking like a lot of sugar.
It's starting to form. Like you can see it like kind of is like forming together.
Yeah? That's a lot of sugar. Oh my god. Whoa. This is like the universe is turning.
All right, I think we can put it onto the cutting board now. You're supposed to knead the fondant like it's bread, but I don't really know.
I mean, this is a piece of art.
It is. It feels like there's glue all over my hand.
I'm not sure. What are we supposed to do?
I'm really confused right now. This is why
You should be. Oh my god.
I don't.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
2,000 years later.
Well, I don't know what's happening because I've been kneading this and I've been following the instructions, but it's on my hands. This is the fondant. So I think instead we're gonna use frosting to decorate the penguins. And I'm gonna try to get this off my hands now. All right, well we failed at fondant. We just took these out of the freezer and they're like, these are like good. We're gonna decorate them with buttercream. It's gonna be what it is. You know, we're gonna make penguins, and that's just what it is. I don't actually even know how we're gonna do this. This is what we're gonna do, Dad. You might as well start on yours. Is this what you thought we were gonna be doing tonight?
Oh my god.
No, of course, because we are not professional bakers. I forgot that for cake pops you need a stick. So we have matches instead, but they're long matches. So this is what we will be using to assemble our penguins. I guess like now what we do is like we stack them and we put the thing through.
Wow.
Okay.
It's working.
This is something. And I thought we would make like the wings and the beak and all the things out of fondant. We don't have fondant. So I have black gel and red gel icing, and this is how we're gonna decorate it. I actually think mine's pretty cute. All right, we have not seen each other's while we've been decorating, and we've decided that we're not gonna decorate this one because it's not very good.
That's the referee. Mine, I'm telling you, is the best. Mine, oh my god. Oh my god.
Gosh!
Oh my.
Have you ever seen a penguin? This is the final product. This is not in any way how I thought it was gonna be when we started, but you know, here we are. Well, I don't know what to say. We definitely learned things about baking today. I learned that the people on TV are more talented than I already thought they were. What did you learn?
I think I'm very talented.
We did make cake pops. Mine's penguin. I don't really know what my dad did here. But since we didn't do anything with this one, we can try it.
Oh.
It tastes like pure sugar. Oh, pure sugar. Well, I hope you had fun watching this video. We had fun making it. But give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below which cake pop you like more. And subscribe to this channel because I do weird stuff all the time.